Hello, Nancy.
Hey Isabelle, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So you have these beautiful welcome drinks for us here.
Yes.
Please tell me how you make them.
You know, Isabelle, it's very easy to make this juice. You can do it at home, very easy. I just get some lemon juice, lemon fruit.
Yeah.
Then I take those lemon fruit and grate them. But before I have to put some water to boil.
Okay.
So I grate those lemon fruits. Then I put those grated stuff in the pot.
Yeah.
To make it boil together with the water. And as they boil, I also cut the lemon that I was grating so that I squeeze the juice to also add again in that pot.
Yeah.
You know, that's how I brew it. Then I add several cups of sugar, but I prefer white sugar.
White sugar is better?
Yes, it's better.
Okay.
Then I make it to boil again, Then I taste. You know, tasting is very good. You brew, you taste as you brew.
Okay.
That is not poison, you know, you can have it.
To make
it taste, you know, a nice taste. To make a nice taste, you taste the sugar if it's okay. It depends on how much sugar you want. But I prefer to make it very too much sugar because I'm going to dilute it when I save it.
Okay.
So you have to put also a little bit of lemon juice. You know, this not from the lemon.
Right.
Juice.
Yes.
Yeah.
From the bottle.
From the bottle. So to make it like that sour taste. Then your lemonade is done.
Okay.
You make it. Before that, you have to make it cold first. Cool it.
Yes.
Then you have to serve.
To sieve it.
To sieve it. To say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because there will be those remains of the grated.
Salt.
Stuff.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Then you enjoy your beloved.
So how does it become pink like that?
This is the garnish. It's only the garnish.
It's the garnish.
It's grenadine. Yes.
Grenadine.
Yes.
And what is floating in there?
Is some carrot.
Yeah.
I peeled some carrot to make it look like, you know,
pretty and welcoming. Well, thank you so much. I'm going to have one.
Oh.
Ooh, fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Isabelle.
Nancy.